Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing, actually tonight, we're unboxing the barbecue box. This is a monthly barbecue subscription box. My cat's here and she's nudging my elbow, so sorry. So this is curated by Myron Mixon, who is a pit master. Each box comes with comes with a wood chip sample, an edible like jerky or something along those lines, a marinade, a rub, and a recipe. They're $24.99 a box. These are really cool. This is actually a Thanksgiving Eve video. Culprit. So we actually were like, let's try to use some of the products in this box for Thanksgiving. And I was like, well, then we're going to have to make a video right now. So we're going to get into this. So I apologize, it's nighttime. If I tried to film in my bedroom where I do for the face videos, it would not work so well. So here we have our, right here on top we see our jerkies for the month. These are, I'm sorry, you can see like see my floor over there. All right, so these are from Carnivore Club, who is amazing. They actually have their own subscription box. They have gift boxes, and I'm pretty sure they'll have Black Friday deals, which if I have this up in time, I will post below. So there are 3 of their buffalo sticks in here. These are actually really delicious. I feel like we had these from them before. I don't know if it was a buffalo stick though. So there's that. Sorry, Swifty. All right, we have the barbecue box, the little recipe card. So this has changed in recent months. It has become quite more elaborate. It's like a fold-out pamphlet, sorry. Right here it tells us what's in the box. Grilled tri-tip roast, that is our recipe. And then it has the ingredients and then the directions. And it's very thorough. It is really cool if you follow along. We've done that before. The back has obviously social sharing. They never leave that stuff out. All right, to the guts of the box. All the wood chip samples come from this company, Vaughn Wood Products. Gourmet wood chips. This is a hickory. They, for a very long time, sent just the apple. They started though sending, she's on this side now. They started sending, Swift, what's up? Hey, psst, psst. Say hi, say hi. So they started sending different flavors, which is really cool. My husband gets really pumped for this. So hickory, he's going to be super excited about. He said that these bags are good for like one solid smoking session, you know, in your smoker. So just so you guys have an idea. All right, our next item is from Gourmet Warehouse. This is a premium spice blend blackening spice. This is a 4-ounce container, and it obviously is going to give your tri-tip roast or whatever you're cooking a blackened flavor. I will definitely use this. I liked blackened chicken, so that will be cool. This, like, navigating this video with this animal. We just talk about this. She's like, so just so you guys know, at this moment it is 8:51. Only just my oldest daughter is awake, and all the other children are in bed. So, oh, by the way, there's a 4th stick. Look at that. There's 4 sticks in here. So as soon as the kids go to bed, the cat is like, okay, it's my turn. She really does come up and she just wants to be loved and snuggled. Look at her. I don't have to pet her. She pets herself. It's so funny. Oh my gosh, Swifty, I love you. Okay, so for our final item is also from Gourmet Warehouse. So this is I really like when they put the 2 items together, like 2 items from the same company together, so that you really get an idea of what that company's about, their flavor, and all that stuff. Like, now she's like, it's like the video where the cat gets closer. Every time they turn the camera away, it's like closer and closer. All right, so this is a Caribbean barbecue sauce. It has like a Pirates of the Caribbean thing here. This is 16 ounces, so it's a pound of sauce, and I'm like kind of excited to try that out. And that is our last item. As you can see, everything in the box comes super well packed. Super well? I don't know if that sounds right. Very, very well. Packaged very well. So you have your 2 cutouts for your sauce and then your rub, and then you also have underneath just so you can see. A big foam pad. So your bottles are safe. Even though this isn't glass, this is plastic, but still, it makes you feel comfortable knowing they package it really well. It's a reliable subscription. I've now been getting this box for, what, a year? Most of you guys that are, we'll just watch her, veterans of my channel know that. So if you're interested in checking out the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to BBQ Box with my affiliate link so you can check them out. Say bye, Swifty. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you next time.